Islamic law structurally dismantled the institution of slavery, but how did it actually work? In the 7th century, immediate global abolition would have caused economic collapse and mass starvation, so instead it attacked the system's physics. Picture ancient slavery as a massive pool. Intake valves like unpaid debt, crime, and kidnapping were constantly pumping in new captives. The law's first major intervention, shutting off those intake valves. It criminalized all civilian pathways into slavery, leaving only strict prisoner of war protocols. But choking the supply lines isn't enough, because it leaves the existing population trapped inside. So the system tied emancipation to everyday religious mistakes. Commit accidental manslaughter or break a sworn oath, the mandatory legal penalty was freeing an enslaved person. Next, it injected constant capital to force the exit pathways open. Enslaved people were granted the legal right to demand binding payment plans to buy their freedom, and mandatory annual charity, Zakat, was legally earmarked to fund those exact buyouts. With the intake valves permanently blocked and the drains forced wide open by daily religious and financial law, the central pool is mathematically forced to drain entirely empty. And that ancient society running on captive labor, the institution systematically starved itself out, mandating its own extinction.